How to enable or disable noise cancellation with one AirPod on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Then in the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down, then tap on AirPods, and then scroll down to the Noise Control section. Then tap on the Noise Cancellation with one AirPod. Tap on the toggle button to turn on this feature or switch it off. Here's the Allow AirPods to be put in noise cancellation mode when only one AirPod is in your ear. So you can turn it on or off as necessary. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.